All right, you guys, hello and welcome back to my outfits of the week. I've been wanting to film these again, but I've been really terrible about remembering to film them in the moment. So I was terrible about that last week, but y'all have been asking for them, so I figured I could just recreate and rewear the same outfits that I wore last week and share with you what I wore. So also I'm gonna try a different style where I kind of talk through physically, like in front of you, the outfits versus doing like voiceover. But yeah, so let me know. What do you think about this new style once I finish it? And if you like it, we'll continue doing it like this. If not, we will go back to the old way. So let's start with, I wore this actually on a Sunday. This is a little set that I got that I absolutely love. I love two-toned sets like this. I just think they're fun. They're super versatile in the way that you can wear them like as a full outfit itself, lounging around the house. You can wear it out of the house. And you can also wear it as a super cute beach pool sort of cover up, which I love that for. So the color blocking is super cute with the blue stripes and the green. The only complaint I have about these shorts is there's no pockets. I threw this on with my high top Converse. The white just, I felt like really went with the whole outfit. Miss Winnie back there. For jewelry, I have my everyday MVMT watch. My nails, I will link the color and everything down below for you guys. Everything will be linked down below in case you're curious. I love this little pearl, kind of, it's not like your traditional pearl, it's like a, I don't know what type of pearl it is, but I like it. And then I recently grabbed these sunglasses from Amazon in a double pack. And I'm loving them. They're very like 90s. They remind me of my mom. I love them. I got them in black and I also got them in tortoise. They're like a double pack. So cute and so fun for summer. So this was my little Sunday outfit. Like I said, we didn't do a ton, but I wanted to be comfy and cozy and this set was awesome. And one thing I really did like about it is it didn't wrinkle. So yeah, that was Sunday's outfit and I really love it. Super casual, so comfortable, but you look kind of put together and like you also could be asleep though. So I'm here for it. So this outfit I actually wore out to dinner on Friday. When we were done with work for the day, we picked up Arlo and went to this restaurant called Fat Fat and had bao buns and shumai and it was, what else do we have? Dim sum. So good. So I just have this classic white t-shirt, which I just filmed a video where I styled this t-shirt 10 different ways with a different pair of jeans. But when I was done filming that video, I was like, you know what? I want to try it with a different pair of jeans. So I grabbed these Zara ones that I've been loving this whole like summer, spring. I feel like I haven't showed them in a hot minute since I filmed that video, but I love these. I love the pocket detail on these. I just think it's so fun. And I love that it has no front pockets. I think they're so flattering. They're a wide leg cut at the end and I just wore them with my Birkenstocks. I absolutely love this outfit. So I threw it on with these little square hoops, which I think are really cute and fun. And again, just same watch and same nail color. I feel like you just can't go wrong with a good basic white tee and a fun pair of jeans. So I love these. They're the perfect amount of stretch. I hope they're still in stock, but these are a winner. I felt like I went through so many Zara jeans and didn't love that many of them, but these ones are it for me and so comfortable, so cute. Love white jeans with like a medium to dark wash denim. So yep, that was my Friday dinner outfit. So this piece that I'm wearing on top is so different for me. When I grabbed it, I was like, I needed it because I felt like it was gonna be the perfect like fall transition piece. So it is a sweater, cable knit, like padded, it's not padded, but it's just like structured-ish here. Knit like tank that I literally love. I love the look of a high or like a pointy shoulder, tapered in waist, and then yeah, I literally love it. So I did recently pick up this top and I think it's gonna be the perfect piece to transition into fall, but when I got it in the mail, I just instantly put it on and wore it for the rest of the day because I thought it was so cute and cozy, and I love it with my H&M mom jeans. Of course, are we surprised? I wear these literally all the time. I really need to get on and see what other colors they have because I would love a darker pair for the fall winter. And then I threw it on with my Vans. I love doing more of like, this could be a workwear sort of top, but pairing it with untraditionally paired items, aka some jeans and some sneakers. I just think it's such a easy look, very comfortable, and like I said, I wore this once I got it in the mail. I was instantly like, this is my favorite new fall top. So absolutely love this look. Think it's really cute and think it's gonna be a great transition for fall, and then you can just throw a jacket on over the top when it gets cold. But this is such a cute look, and I feel like even where I live now, this could be a summer night look because it gets chilly at night here, even in the summer. So I absolutely love this outfit, and yeah, again, same basic jewelry. Okay, there literally isn't a week that goes by where I am not in a button down at least 2 of the days. Let's just be real. So this is the outfit that I wore, well, similar to the outfit that I wore for the summer capsule wardrobe. So I wore this orange top. If you've not seen that video, I will link it down below. So I wore this orange button up that I recently got from H&M. I've been loving this poppy red color. I think it will still transition to fall because it's like that reddy orangey sort of look. Absolutely love this. And I was wearing the Everlane jeans in them, but I wanted to show you guys these jeans again because they're like a dupe for the Everlanes. They're so good. These are from Old Navy, you guys. And I got them on sale and they were $17. Full price, they're $50, but they literally fit like their $200 jeans. Just as a heads up though, sizing, I would say my waist and my Abercrombie size is a true 26, and those fit me very comfortably. I'm a 2 in these, and they're a bit oversized. They're nothing like too crazy, but they're like a looser fit. So if you want more of a tighter fit, definitely size down, but I absolutely love these. They're stiff denim. The rips are perfect on them, and the distressing, the frayed ends, everything about these jeans are like literally perfection. I feel like they look as though they came from Revolve and they're $200 from like a Goldie, and they are not, they are perfection. So this is a very typical outfit for me. I did wear this with my MVMT watch as well as my little bracelet that I got from Amazon. And I threw in pearls. Love this outfit. It's totally classic me in every single sense of the way because it's a button down and jeans. And of course, my Birkenstocks for comfort and the fact that they're super cute. And call me crazy, but I think I'm gonna get the clog version for this fall. What do we think? Are you guys into it? I think I am. Okay, so if you're not new here, you know that I am typically a very casual jeans and a t-shirt, shorts and a t-shirt kind of girl. And this has been my uniform since I recently got these shorts. So I feel like if I still lived in Texas, these would make it into my fall wardrobe, these dark denim jean shorts. But to be honest with you, it does actually get cold here, so I'm soaking them up as much as I can in the summer. These are everything. They're so dang cute, and if it wasn't about to be the end of summer, I'd probably grab these in a medium wash jean. But if you live someplace where it's still going to be warm during the fall, like south, then check these out because they're so cute. I love the crisscross waist. I love the length on them. They're kind of A-line, so they just do good stuff. And then my Madewell Whisper tees. These are my like favorite tees pretty much of all time. This is the green one. I love the drop shoulder that it has. Everything about it's just very like casual. This is their Whisper tee, so it's kind of like a textured heathered material, but it's not see-through by any means, and I love it. And I'm always have my hair up in a claw clip because, to be honest with you, most of the time my hair just doesn't stay down because it drives me nuts. So yes, always have a claw clip on hand. And then, of course, my Birkenstocks. So this is a very like realistic, I wear this every week sort of outfit, and I love it. And I just feel like when you have really good basics and staples in your life, like you're drawn to them for a reason because they make you feel comfortable, they make you feel confident, and that's your style. So there's nothing wrong with that. And I think in the world of fashion, sometimes we can get a bit overwhelmed with all of the options and all of that, but at the end of the day, wear what makes you feel comfortable and wear what makes you feel confident, and that is my goal in life. Hope you guys liked this style of outfits of the week. If you did, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you like this style, and I can continue doing this style. I have no idea how it's gonna turn out or if I'm even gonna like it, but it does make it easier for me at the end of the week to put together all the outfits that I did wear, especially the ones that I really liked and stood out to me, and show you guys instead of having to remember to film every day, because in reality, I don't always get dressed cute every day. I do at least 5 times out of the week, but not 7 of those days, let's be real. And some of them are mostly casual like this. So if you guys liked this, please let me know by giving the video a thumbs up. If you want to see more fashion and style videos, let me know. It really helps out my channel. And if you have not subscribed already, please subscribe for more outfits of the week, what I wore in a week videos. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.